Hello, in this video we'll show you what could be one of the causes if you have a problem with the rain and ambient light sensor on your Mercedes C-Class W205. One of the causes could be a blown fuse, so here in the video we'll show you the location of the fuse for the rain and ambient light sensor. Before I show you the location of the fuses, first I'll show you how to test the fuses, if they're good or bad. I'll show you how to test the fuses using a multimeter and a test light. First, I'll show you how to test the fuses with the test light. For this purpose, we need to turn the ignition on. This is the test light that I'm using. We need to attach the cable of the test light to battery negative or somewhere on chassis ground. Then we're going to start testing the fuses with the test light. On the fuses there is two pins, you can see them right there before the 30 and after the 30 there is two pins where we touch them with the test light, and if both pins light up, that means the fuse is good. If only one pin lights up, that means the fuse is bad. Sometimes none of the pins light up, that means that there is no power going to that fuse. Next I'll show you how to test the fuses with a multimeter. This is what the fuse looks like. You can see that contact in the middle that is connecting to the two pins. This is the contact that shows if the fuse is good or bad. If the contact is burned, that means the fuse is bad. If it's if it's connected, that means it's good. When we test the fuses, we should measure resistance with the multimeter. So when we turn the multimeter on, we should turn it to 20k ohms. When measuring the fuses, the resistance should be very close to zero. We'll start now testing each fuse. First, we'll touch both cables together of the multimeter just to see if it measures resistance. You can see there is no resistance in the cables, but it measures 0 ohms. Now we'll start measuring the first fuse, and we'll see what will show. It's showing 0 ohms, so that means this fuse is good. Next, to test the second fuse, it's showing 0 ohms, so that means that fuse is good. Now we'll test the third fuse. Third fuse is also showing 0 ohms, so that means that fuse is also good. Next, to test the fourth fuse, and it doesn't show 0 ohms, it says 0L, which means open circuit. That means that fuse should be bad. Now we'll see what the condition of the fuse is visually. We can see that contact in the middle that's connecting to the two pins is broken, so that's why it's showing open circuit. That means the fuse is bad, so it needs to be replaced. Next I'll show you the location of all the main fuse boxes on this Mercedes W205 C-Class. There is one fuse box in the engine compartment. It's underneath this plastic trim. You need to lift up this plastic trim. Those plastic bolts, you need to turn them and then lift up the plastic trim. And then you see the fuse box underneath. This is the fuse box right there. The fuse box is held by two bolts right there. Next, I'll show you the two fuse boxes in the fascia. First fuse box is here on the side of the dashboard. You need to pull out this plastic cover, and when you pull out the cover, the fuse box is right there. The next fuse box is on the passenger side of the fascia, just underneath the glove box on the right hand side. To get access to the fuse box, there is this plastic cover which you need to pull out, and then you will see the fuse box. This fuse box is called the footwell fuse box. Next I'll show you the location of the fuse box in the load area. To get access to it, you need to lift this cover up, and it's just the fuse box is just right there. Next I'll show you a diagram of all the fuse boxes on this Mercedes C-Class W205. There is one fuse box in the engine bay 1, engine bay 2, one in the footwell, which is underneath the glove box, load area type 1 and load area type 2 for different type of W205 models, and fascia fuse box, which is on the left of the dashboard. Next we'll show you the location of the fuse for the rain and ambient light sensor on this Mercedes C-Class W205. The fuse is located in the footwell fuse box, and the location of the fuse is F326, which is in the MF1 fuse box, which is right there. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.